So I had another question, do calories actually matter on keto? Let's talk about that. The answer is yes and no. Not all calories are treated equally by your hormones, the endocrine system. Biochemically, they're not treated the same. I'll go into that. So it's false that a calorie is a calorie and all you need to do is lower your calories and you're going to lose weight. That is not true. For example, certain specific types of calories trigger different hormones. I'm talking about cortisol, I'm talking about insulin, growth hormone. So that can have a huge effect whether you lose weight or you don't lose weight, just by the type of calorie you're consuming. Carbohydrates definitely will increase insulin. Insulin blocks keto. Protein can also increase insulin, especially if you have it in large amounts, and especially if it's lean protein, low-fat protein. Interesting. Fat has the least effect on insulin, which means it has the least effect of stopping your ketosis. Now, carbs are pretty much 100% used as fuel in the body. Protein is a partial fuel use and partial body replacement. So you need protein to replace your muscles, your hair, your nails, your skin. So not all of it's used for energy. Same thing with fat. Part of it is used for body parts like brain, nerve tissue, the cell membranes, and part of it is used for fuel. So that's a difference right there. Keto is low carbohydrate calories, moderate protein calories, and higher fat calories. So if you wanted to lose weight and your metabolism is slow and you have a thyroid problem and you're menopausal and you can't sleep and you're under a lot of stress, okay, in that situation, you are going to have to lower your fat calories. We want to increase the fat calories at first to get your body to adapt to fat burning, to make it easy so you can do intermittent fasting longer. Once you're in fat burning, you want to cut down the fat. We don't want to use your dietary fat as fuel. We want to use your own body fat as the fuel source. So if you have too much fat, that could prevent you from losing your own fat, even though you're in ketosis. Okay? So we do want to lower the fat, and we do want to reduce the frequency of eating, possibly to 1 meal a day. Do it on a gradual, maybe 2 meals a day, and then shorten the window to 4 hours and 3 hours and 2 hours and then 1 hour of eating. So you have now 23 hours of fasting. Okay, that's what you would want to do. So the question, do calories matter on keto? Certain calories do with certain circumstances. Hey guys, I want to talk about these two books right here. Okay, I want to explain it. This book right here is a very short book. It explains why to do keto and how to do it. It's filled with pictures. You can get through this in 45 minutes, real quick. Just very important to know the details, the basics of how to do it. Now this book, The New Body Type Guide, should have been called Beyond Keto, because I rarely find someone that has just a weight problem. They usually have a lot of other body problems. And in this book, I cover all the reasons why keto and intermittent fasting might not work for you. We go into the body types, we go into inflammation, we go into stress, hardcore, and what to do about it. So if you want to maximize your results, you definitely want to get this one right here, okay? So my goal is to get you to do keto correctly. And what I mean by that is do it healthily. It's called healthy ketosis. So we can avoid all the issues that happen with transitioning to fat burning. Keto flu, keto fatigue, keto rash, kidney stones, gout, etc. And right now on my website, if you get this at no extra cost. I put a link down below. Check it out.